Hello everyone. Once again, welcome back to the channel. This is the Lotus. If you know you are new here, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Subscribe, okay? Okay, so we are taking today's plan in midweek itself. Midweek itself. So the plan is starting from event 19. Event 19. It's going up. The plan is going up. So you see single 2. You count 4 weeks up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Single 4. From the single 4, you count another 4 weeks up. 1, 2, 3, 4. You meet single 9. From the single 9, you count 3 weeks up. 1, 2, 3. We have 62 over here. We have our 62 over here. Okay, so after the 62 played, you will see a certain number moving from this event to play over here, which is 50. 15 moved from here and played. And then at the same time, the 62 repeated and turned. Okay, the 62 repeated and 10 and played with 82 36. So this is where we are. So when you take a closer look at the game, you will see that this 82 moved from here and played on top of the 82. The 82 moved from here and played on top of the 26. So we will pick these two numbers as our two surefirst, because last time I told you guys that whenever you are reading a plan and you saw a number moving from the same event playing on top of another number on that event, you pick those two numbers as your two surefirst. Because the reason why I said that is it has been playing. Although it happened over here. The 15 moved and played on top of 13, but it didn't play. It rather played 62. Okay, so this event, let's take note of these three numbers: 26, 62, 82. 26, 62, 82. And then let's take note of the 15 too. But when you come to the current, maybe Lotto might play double repetition today. Let's take note of that. Double repetition can go through today, because I've seen some numbers repeating. So let's take note of those numbers. Let's take note of it. Okay, so now let me prove the 2662 to you. It's over here. When you come to 2018, event 759, you see 64. The plan is going up again. You see 64 followed by 62. Then we are on this event again. Have you seen that the 62 turned on top of itself and then repeated again? These two numbers. So let's take note of these two numbers: 2662, 2662. Okay, so when you come to the current, let's check out the current. This is the current. Okay, now the current, it starts from here. Single 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. You meet single 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here is your single 9. 1, 2, 3. And you have your 62 over here. You have your 62 as compared to the first plan. Over here. The same thing happened. Okay, So now let's check out the second one. Okay, so the second one, we have our 64 over here. 64, following week 62. Okay, then we are here. So today, double repetition by all means. You can add both events together. You can join both events and pen, or you can do against. But let me give you a bonus game. Take note of that plan too. It might drop. Take note of it. Okay, so you come to 2005. Okay. All right. So let me prove something to you again. Over here, when you come here to UC 70, following week 62, and we have our 26 over here again. This is to prove to you that 26 will play. 2662 will play today. All right. Okay. Now let's come back to the plan again. Okay. So now we are here. Event 94. 70. You count 3 weeks down. 1, 2, 3. 62, 53. It's a 3 weeks game. 1, 2, 3. You see 53, 62. You count again. 1, 2, 3. We are on this event. This is the event that we'll be playing today. So when you take a good look at the game, you count 3 weeks down again. 1, 2, 3. 2 numbers jumped from there and played the same as 2 numbers repeated, which is what? 1921. So when you go to the current, it's 1 week plan. So we are here. So so long as the 1921 played and then 3 weeks down it's jumped, then that means these 2 numbers must play today. I've confirmed the 21 somewhere and the 19 to somewhere, but because of time, I'll just prove it to you at the current. Okay. So when you come to the current, we have our 70 over here. We have our 70 over here. Following week, you will see 53. 62. You will see 53, 62 playing together. The same as the first one. The first one, it's played 3 weeks. The first one, when the 70 played 3 weeks down, it's played 62, 53. Okay, but this one, 70 played following week 62, 53. So today, this is the number we are winning today. 82, 62, 26, 19, 21. You take this number as your second too sure, and then you take this one too as your first too sure, and then you take this. Let me check. Okay, you take 26, 82 as your third too sure. Okay, but our main banker over here should be 26. Okay, guys, please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.